Well, hello. I'm BCD Chaco, and the founder of A World Empowered and the creator of the Silent Auction. I have heard there are a couple people that have been confused about the add-on fee when placing a bid. So I wanted to walk everybody through how to remove that when you go to place your bid. So I'm going to screen share now. When you come to the Better World site and you go to place your bid, you come down here and you type in your amount that you would be willing to pay. And again, I want to reiterate, this entire lot will go to one lucky winner. It's over $1,400 worth of gear, gift certificates, and gift cards. And the entire thing will go to one winning bidder. So the person with the highest bid will receive the entire lot, and you can keep that for yourself. You can split that with a friend, you can divvy it up, or you can give away Christmas and birthday presents for the next year. However you choose to divvy up the goodies is up to you. But when you come down here and you place your bid, some people have been concerned about this fee. This was showing as a $43.75 fee. That is Better World's fee for their platform, but we can remove that. So if you click on the question mark, scroll to the bottom, this word here at the end is actually a link. So if you click on that, you can change the amount that you would like to donate to Better World for helping us put this auction on, or you can remove it entirely. So you click remove contribution and bam, the fee is gone. So just to walk you through that again, come back here, type in your bid amount, place your bid, click on the question mark, scroll to the bottom, click here, say, I can't afford this contribution right now, remove the contribution, and that way, the only amount that you will pay will be what you bid on this auction. I hope that that clears up any confusion that you may have had. Again, I'm so excited at this opportunity of finding a new way to raise money for our nonprofits so that we can get out there and do good work. I have busted my ever-loving butt going from business to business to business, acquiring all of these incredible donations. And I really appreciate your help and support. And even if the outdoor stuff isn't your thing, maybe you know somebody that loves the outdoors. And we live here in Colorado, you probably know a handful. If they end up being the winning bidder, we will thank you. We will send you a referral gift. We will give you a 3-month membership to our Patreon site. We will give you a signed copy of the Dream Achiever book written and signed by me, as well as a 2-hour horseback riding trip to Cowpoke Corral or the National Park Gateway Stables in Estes Park, Colorado. So all said, that's a $150 thank you. We appreciate your love and support, helping us get out there and help more people. Thank you for taking a look at our silent auction. Good luck bidding. I'll talk to you soon.